cope with a tragedy like this when the house where one stays crumbles without a warning? When I came to Chandni Mahal for the first time, I met Rizwan, a resident of Chandni Mahal who had complained several times and filed several RTIs to inform the authorities about the illegal construction that was going on in this old building. Yet the authorities chose to ignore. Rizwan has now turned citizen journalist to question the inaction of the authorities.
27th September, 8 p.m. It was just another day coming to an end. More than 38 residents of the 100-year-old building in Chandni Mahal, Old Delhi, had no idea that their world was going to come shattering down. 7 people killed and more than 30 injured. A tragedy that could have been averted only if the MCD had paid heed to the several concerns and complaints I had raised.
मेरा नाम सीजे रिजवान है। मेरे घर के सामने 27 सितंबर को जो बिल्डिंग गिरी है, इसको रोका जा सकता था समय के साथ अगर कार्रवाई होती।
भाभी का फोन नहीं है कि मम्मी का पता नहीं है, भैया का पता नहीं मेरे को। आप आ जाओ, ये रो रही, पता नहीं चल रहा क्या हुआ उस समय, क्या नहीं हुआ। कैसे यकीन हो जाए कि बिल्डिंग ही गिर गई होगी।
This crammed up, forgotten area, suddenly the focus of everyone, police, authorities. But warning signs had been there all along. The collapse of building number 833 was a tragedy waiting to happen. I live right opposite this building that collapsed. 6 months ago, I noticed construction work happening in building 833. New rooms were being constructed. I was alarmed. A 100-year-old building would certainly not be able to withstand the burden of new construction. I immediately wrote to MCD about this construction, but there was no response.
मैंने MCD में जो कंप्लेंट दी थी, उस पर कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं मिला, तो इसलिए मैंने RTI फाइल करी, ये जानने के लिए कि आखिर इस डेंजर बिल्डिंग को कैसे परमिशन दे दी गई बनाने के लिए।
I was shocked with the RTI response. The MCD denied having given approval for this construction. It was clearly an illegal construction.
इसकी हालत MCD को बताई थी, कितनी डेंजर ये बिल्डिंग है, कभी भी गिर सकती है, लेकिन इसके ऊपर MCD ने कोई कार्रवाई नहीं की।
15 days later, the old building number 833 collapsed. People of Chandni Mahal had to bear the brunt of MCD's negligence.
पुरानी बिल्डिंग है, उसको छेड़ेंगे तो वैसे जाएगी।
यहाँ की बहुत सारी ऐसी इमारतें हैं जो डेंजर हैं, ना MCD की परमिशन देती है, ना कोई और देता है।
CNN IBN cameras found out that building number 833 is not an exception. There are many more buildings in Chandni Mahal area which are cracked, which are dilapidated and require immediate attention. One after another, floors are being added to a old structure like the one behind me.
Floor over floors of illegal construction on 100-year-old structures has made this area extremely unsafe. The Municipal Corporation of Delhi has woken up to the danger and is now demolishing the illegal constructions.
आप देख सकते हैं प्रशासन का जो काम चल रहा है डेमोलेशन का, ये काम वक्त के चलते अगर पहले हो जाता तो आज ये हालत नहीं होते, जो लोग मरे हैं वो बच जाते।
एक्चुअली क्या है कि I have sold.
The former owner of the building number 833 had known the state of the building and says that he too had written to the authorities several times.
This building is completely dangerous. I attached a letter to MCD, all commissioners, even सारे competent authority को लिखा, DCP को भी लिखा है, but till today they have not taken any action.
Along with the team of CNN IBN, I decided to meet the MCD chief to know why nothing was done even after my RTI and why they are not taking any action against the illegal constructions that are going on in this area.
MCD ने क्लियर बोला कि हमने कोई परमिशन नहीं दी है किसी भी तरह के कंस्ट्रक्शन का वहाँ पे, पर फिर भी इलीगल कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा था जिसकी वजह से वो बिल्डिंग कोलैप्स हो गई।
Just taken over 2 days back and this matter is under vigilance inquiry and Director Vigilance in doing the inquiry in this matter. So when I get the complete information, I'll let you know.
अफसर तो आते जाते रहते हैं, उन्हें पता था इसके ऊपर RTI फाइल हुई भी है, फिर उसके ऊपर MCD ने कार्रवाई क्यों नहीं करी। मैं अपनी लड़ाई जारी रखूंगा। मैं सीजे रिजवान, CNN IBN के लिए।